Let's do the car review, Mr. Mars.
I'm
Sure.
ready.
All
Here
right.
you go, Michael.
Mr. Mars had a chance to drive the Infiniti QX80, and he's here now in his crotchless panties, ready to give us the review.
Pants, leather pants.
Chaps.
Chaps.
There you go.
Oh,
You know about leather chaps like that. I'm sure you've got some. I should have brought you hers.
They probably fit.
So I was looking at a 2023 Infiniti QX80. That's what I was driving for the week. And we had...
my phone is dinging over
I know,
here.
mine is
People,
too.
yeah, people are going,
Oh,
hey.
no.
Well, our guest is here,
It's
too.
George.
So we'll get to him in a minute. So anyway, this vehicle, it was updated in 2022. So 2023 has got a few nice changes to it. Comes in 3 available trims, the Luxe, the Premium Select, and the Century. Now, all of them are available with all-wheel drive. So the Century, we did have the all-wheel drive version. And this is a full-size SUV, 7 or 8 people, depending on if you get the second row optional bench seat in this vehicle. Now, you get on outside of it, you're going to find a complete LED lighting system, including the fog lights. You've got power folding heated side mirrors. You've got a power rear lift gate, a power moonroof. Got the roof rails on it, and it was rolling on some nice 22-inch alloy wheels. It's a pretty big vehicle. It's got some nice round lines. It's not a very square vehicle like some of the manufacturers have gone to. Slide into the inside, and you're going to find you got the semi-aniline leather seating surfaces. The first row is got heat and ventilation in the seatings. The second row on our vehicle they were heated, and the third row has a power reclining arrangement, so you can recline the seats even in the back third row. It's a big vehicle. You can get adults all the way back there with a little bit of help.
You recline the back seat.
There you go, the third row. Now, we had the 12.3-inch infotainment screen that's up there in the dash. That's where you're going to find your Apple and Android and your all your convenience controls, including this year they added an availability of Alexa for your shopping needs when you're going down the road at 80 miles an hour, I guess.
I like those chaps. I need to order me a pair now.
See if you can find them in brown. Now, up front, you're going to find that it has 2
They usually are.
Because Mike's got the black ones.
2 USB ports. The second row actually has 3 USB
With
ports.
ball fringe.
It's got wireless charging, and it's got the second row entertainment system, which is basically 2 screens, one on the back of each of the front seats. And to make
You'll
all
never
this
get
go,
another Infiniti again after this review.
to make all this go, up underneath the hood, it's got a 5.6-liter V8, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. So it's got plenty of power, and it's backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. Now, it's got rev matching in it. And why, you may ask, on a vehicle like this? Well, because it's rated to tow 8,500 pounds. So if you're off into some manual gears, going up hills or something, that could come actually in handy. It doesn't necessarily have to be just in a race car. Now, the EPA says you should be looking for about 13 miles per gallon in the city, Highway 19, combined 15. I actually got 14.5 the week that I had it.
Oh, okay.
It has 2 driving modes, snow mode, tow mode, and that's, again, part of the 8,500 pound towing capacity. Now, as far as ride and handling goes, it's got self-leveling rear suspension as an option on this vehicle. The Sensory trim level comes with a hydraulic body motion control system, which contributes to the ability to have that smoother ride in such a big vehicle. Now, the base trim price for this vehicle is $87,450. Now, its tested price is $90,885.
That's not really far off.
No, if you look at the others. If you look at the base model price, it's $72,700. Now, this would be for the Luxe entry-level stripper price at that luxury stripper price, I guess. If you're looking for something to compare it to, you might look at a Lincoln Navigator that starts at $79,700. The Cadillac Escalade starts at $79,200. And surprisingly, a Jeep Grand Wagoneer starts at $87,995. I was surprised that it started was that much higher than the others. So anyway, so there's lots of choices when you get into that full-size SUV as to how luxurious you want, how much power you want, and how much fun you want.
There you
reclining
go.
As you know, I like to have fun.
I know.
Well, that's pretty good tow rating.
It is.
I
I mean, it's going to match up with all the other full-size SUVs whenever you want
What
to.
kind of gas mileage you say against?
Well, I got 14.5 that week.
Ooh.
And did you do any on-ramp acceleration tests?
A little bit, not much. Not much point in vehicles that big. 400 horses is 400 horses. You know, it'll cruise, and that's all you're looking for when you get to something that level.
True.
Nice luxury car.
True that.
Yeah.
Is John there?
Yes, John's here. I got to get him to unmute, but he's here.
Unmute, John.
Unmute John. Let us know.